Hi, today we're going to be looking at the Ego multi-tool and attachments, the 51cm hedge trimmer and the mini topiary trimmer as well. Let's have a look. Unfortunately, there's a couple of attachments for the power head that don't feature in this video that I had used over several months, such as the cultivator attachment and the edger attachment. The cultivator attachment I loved to use, so it's a shame I don't have in this video. But here we go, let's start with the hedge trimmer head. I personally found this to be quite impressive, especially on the thicker stuff. It chomps through anything you put in front of it. Here's the extension pole, the carbon fibre extension pole that I bought as an accessory for the multi-tool kit. I used it quite a lot with the hedge trimmer and didn't use it for anything else. The 25cm pole saw was a joy to use. Along with the hedge trimmer, it was probably my favourite attachment. It cut through anything, again, that you put in front of it. And here's the strimmer attachment. I want to do a quick shout out to Jay Chillingworth from the Wooden Fence Post Gardening in Essex. He recommended the Oregon Nilium Starline and it made a massive difference and went through everything, so thanks for that, Jay. In this next clip coming up, there's a couple of splashes come up from the ground, and that was actually rotten apples. Unfortunately, the mesh visor doesn't stop rotten apple juice coming through, so that was really fun. Here's the 51cm hedge trimmer. I absolutely loved this tool. Along with the blower in the last video, it was the first tool that I got from Ego. The blades are parallel to the hedge while the handle is still straight, and this is because of the rotating feature that makes it comfortable to use in any situation. And here I'm taking the battery out of the multi-tool and putting it straight into the hedge trimmer. I really liked that you could do this because you can use one battery across several jobs, and yeah, it's fantastic. And here's a very brief look at the topiary trimmer. In summary to these last 3 videos about Ego tools, I feel that they're perfectly suited to a professional working within an urban or suburban environment, or for a domestic user with a larger space to maintain. The build quality of them is really strong and robust. I like the colours and the designs used. The battery life is amazing, and they're just a pleasure to use really. And I look forward to doing some more detailed reviews as I get new Ego tools, so I look forward to that. As always, thanks very much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you next time.